So this was about the last thunderstorm we had, and this is about maybe half mile from my house, but when this lightning struck this tree, it sounded like a bomb went off, and scattered the limb all around. One strike. Oh, and there's another piece up there. I don't know if you can see it well enough. Look at that. Blew the thing right apart. Of course, it's middle of hunting season. Well, actually, it's the end of hunting season. I should probably have orange on, but of course I don't. Not real prepared, but I wanted to show this to you. I've never seen anything like it. Just splintered the whole tree. Of course, we have a little friends of the village here and on Facebook, and everybody was commenting like, what the hell was that? Look at that. Just blew it. Oh, I didn't see the rest of it. Look at that. I guess that was the top of it. Gonzo. That was the top over there. Just done deal. That blue mark on the tree is actually somebody's fence line. That's how they mark boundaries around here. Well, anyways, thought you'd want to know. Thought you'd want to see it. Sun's setting pretty soon. I hate this time change. But anyways,